This is the land known for intelligence, for raising great people, for hard work, for justice. The missionaries who came here have this very interesting thing about the Igbo people to say. The Igbo have an unbending sense of justice and a surprising intelligence. Although, if they are surprised by our intelligence, we are not. Because even our ancestors had a more sophisticated art that we can even think of producing today. So how can these same people, these people of greatness, be reduced to this group of savages and barbarians that parade themselves among us today as Igbo people? Where did we get it wrong? I ask again. Are these people perpetuating this violence of female blood? Are they really of the Igbo stock? If they are, how can we get them back to imbibe the Igbo spirit? Yes, as a people, we have been greatly marginalized, but this is not just a fight against marginalization, against oppressors of the Igbo people, against those who are trying to subdue the Igbos, because you cannot really subdue the Igbo man in reality. Yes, we talk of marginalization. We say Nigeria is marginalizing us as Indi Igbo. And yes, it is true. Since the war, when it was declared that no victor, no vanquished, Ime people have been pushed to the corner politically and economically. We have been forced to face political annihilation and economic exclusion. But the truth is this: before we can fight outsiders, we must first clean our house. We must first put our home together so that people can come home and invest in Igbo land. How can we demand respect when we do not respect ourselves? How can we cry for marginalization or against it when we are the ones destroying our own Igbo unity? Our brothers and sisters, bikoni, kai jiko wayano, kai suela merino fueti ofofo. Look at our prominent people. We must start talking about how the husband of our sister, Professor Doran Nkema Akunyili, came home and he was murdered in Igbo land. What is happening to us? We can't begin to number the number of people who have gone in recent years across the various Igbo states. Yes, I know there is crime all over Nigeria, but this is not what we are known for. Okonkwo, renowned for valor, was punished for taking that right accidentally. Reflect on it and think about it as an Igbo person. Kai mwe, kai woluche taya makara, kai takudo nime. What's there want to be? So what must we do? And what should we do as a people? How can we get it right? And what must we do as a people? It begins with you. Speak Igbo at home to your children. Igbo. When they respond in English, speak back to them in Igbo, especially in their dialect of Igbo language. Why are Igbo? Give them Igbo names that have meaning, not names that you think you will later shorten to something you will like. Names with dignity and meaning. Names that will not want to throw away when they grow up. And let them know about the things that made us great. Tell them the famous stories about the kingdom. Tell them about Ibuku Axe. Tell them about Leja, iron smelting site. Tell them it is the oldest iron smelting site in the world. Be proud about it. Tell them about so many things we have done before. Tell them about the greatness of our ancestors. Tell them that our ancestors resisted colonialism for over 31 years. And it is recorded as the oldest anti-colonial resistance struggle all over the world. Tell them that our ancestors were not evil, because even will soon become an ancestor. Reject evil. Say no to ritual killing. Say no to becoming. Say no to the fast lane. Say no to waking up early in the morning. If you then run this, avoid it. We must rise again. We must remember who we are. We must value what is ours, and we must protect it. Stop the killings among ourselves. Let us stop killing ourselves. Stop bringing terror on your fellow Igbo people. Stop bringing terror on Igbo land. If you know anyone involved in this, encourage them to come out. Let us have a peaceful environment where unity exists, where peace exists. That place, development can thrive. Because a healthy body carries a healthy mind. The man that is fighting to secure his house can no longer think of building a house in that place because he has not even secured it. Help us to secure Igbo land. Help us to rescue Igbo land from the clutches of those who wish to destroy her. Umunem, my brothers and sisters, I stand before you today, not just to give a lecture, not just to talk to you as I usually do, but to sound an alarm. Our house is burning. Our culture is at risk. Our dignity is fading. But it is not too late. Let us rise. Let us speak our language. Video, I will speak Igbo from beginning to the end. And you go to the comment section and you see people complaining that I should subtitle it. Let us give our children Igbo names that carry power, that will unite us as a people. If I go to a foreign country and I see a man whose name is a Jofo, I will immediately know that this is my brother. I will not know if that man's name is Robert or if his name is Andrew. And when history writes about us, let us say the Igbo almost lost their way, but they woke up, they stood tall again, and we are remembered for who we are. Let it not be that when history remembers us, we will be forgotten people. My brothers and sisters, once again, the time to wake up is now. Biano, biani, tesiminola, wonu na anya dị ka azụ, ka anyị ala nọ n'ime mmiri ncha aba anyị n'anya. Igbo ga-adị, asụsụ Igbo ga-adị bụ ịkwanyise, bụ idokọma, bụ na-asụ a n'ezinụlọ anyị. All through this lecture because I'm talking to a people whose children cannot even understand the Igbo language. Talk more of my own dialect of the Igbo language. If they cannot understand their own dialect, how then will they understand my own? Yabu bikoni, yeni na yaka, kaina akwado asụsụ Igbo. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed watching this video or you learned a few things from it, biko. After na biko kwa rioncha oji abo. Yeni na yaka. Share this video to your audience. Comment on this video. Clip it if you can. Play it in your family playlists so that the entire family can watch. Let it spark a renaissance in your home. Because it begins from home. If you start from your own home, I'm talking to you, particularly my brother and my sister who is watching me. If we start from your own home to revive the Igbo language and culture, perhaps some other families will copy you. And before you know it, we are back to the glory our ancestors left for us. We have a proud, illustrious historical heritage. Thank you for watching this video. This is N1, a cultural forum. And my name once again is Onwode Ngozi Etukuka Fortune. Thank you for watching. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel. Do have a pleasant time. See you in our next video. Elwa.